welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to share a day in my life and see what I'm up to. It is Tuesday, which means it is my filming day. Sophie's coming. It's a pretty packed day, honestly. I just put this suit on. I don't know if it's a Korean brand. They sent it to me. I have to look up what exactly it was. It's like a top and a bottom, and I'm like, I look like a Power Ranger a little bit. I don't know. I think it's kind of a vibe. I also just came out of the shower, so my hair's still drying. I have so much laundry here. My life is a little bit of a mess. I feel like that is, there's such a benefit of working at home in a way where you're just obviously home and you're just so flexible with your time, and you can literally roll out of bed, and I don't know, I just really love that. But then on the downside, sometimes, you know, when you're working a lot in your living space, I feel sometimes it is really hard to kind of keep that divided. Probably many of you feel this too. Anyway, I am going to make a coffee. I'm cheating today on my morning matcha. Honestly, if I have it in moderation in the morning, it is fine, but I don't really do it every day. Yeah, coffee first. Ready. Also, today's video is sponsored by Nutrafol, which I'm going to tell you guys a little bit more about later in the video. You know what's crazy? I was in Europe in December, and obviously I was jet lagged, and it was very, I don't know, something about Amsterdam is always very calming to me. And I also didn't have all my my journals and stuff with me because my luggage was overloaded. Anyway, where I'm going with this is my morning routine kind of was swept away, and I was waking up later, easing kind of straight into my day, not following all the steps I was basically doing for almost 2 years every day. And for some reason, ever since I got back to LA, I've been kind of sticking to that. It's weird. I've been waking up a little later, so instead of 6 a.m, 7 a.m, I've been kind of easing into my day in the morning. I'm not ticking off all the boxes of journal, stretch, meditation, and all of that, and almost stress more about the routine than just really being in it. I don't know, there have been days where I wake up and now go straight into work, or days where I actually do wake up early and kind of just do all the morning routines. It's way more of a flow. And first I felt a little confused by it, but then later on I was no, this is actually something I should accept and just sit in it, and it's okay that that flow changes sometimes. So yeah, here we're at. I'm gonna do some emails, get ready, and there we go. Okay, before we're starting the day, I am going to make some breakfast, and I am also going to take my vitamins. There we go. Also guys, I officially went darker with my hair last week, and I'm loving it. There was something inside me, I was I've been a blonde my whole life. I was I need something to change, and I actually really love it. What do you guys think? I don't know. feeling a little brunette. Also, my hair has gotten so much better because I have actually been taking my hair supplements on a very consistent basis, and the ones that I am using are these from Nutrafol. And I'm actually going to tell you a crazy story. When was it? In 2019, Max and I were in Europe, and a friend of ours invited us to a random vacation in Mykonos. So he was like, oh, we're just here with a bunch of people, like just come, it will be fun. So we're like, okay, you know what, we're going. So we went on this trip with a lot of people from New York, and one of those people was Giorgio, who is the founder of Nutrafol. He used to be a male model in New York City and started losing his hair. None of any hair products he could find worked for him, so he developed Nutrafol, which is made with all natural ingredients, 100% drug-free, and actually clinically proven and studied. You know, we met him and like we started talking, and the crazy part was that this was during a period of time that Max was going through so much stress and was actually losing really big patches of hair on his head. So he started using Nutrafol first, and within like 5 months, the hair growth was improved so much. And that's where I was like, okay, I have to try this as well. Naturally, I mean, you've seen it in my like older videos, especially my hair used to be super short. I have very thin and like very fine hair, and what I really like about Nutrafol is that it has all these natural ingredients. There's like ashwagandha in there, which also like helps regulate stress, and you actually need to take it for at least 3 months to see any results. And I think that is really important because consistency is key with everything. Like, you're not gonna have change overnight. I am going to link Nutrafol in the description down below, and you can get 50 off your first 3 months. And it is very important that it's 3 months because, as I said, you really need to be consistent with it. I'm also going to make breakfast. I always take it during breakfast because it's important to take it with a meal. If you have like healthy fats, it actually helps deliver the supplement better in your body, and your body absorbs it better. So better results there. Again, I'm going to link it down below. Game changer for me. And I'm also gonna make some breakfast. Pudding is literally one of my favorite breakfasts. I have the recipe on here on my platform Soulsing Body. In case you missed this in my last videos, I recently launched a recipe feature on Soulsing Body called Soulsing Kitchen with all my healthy recipes. On here you can also find like meal plans, and each recipe has like tutorial videos on like how to make it, macronutrients, benefits explained. I'm actually hopping on a meeting right now with the developers because the app will come out very soon, so that will be really exciting, something we've been like really working on. But if you want to try out the recipe feature, or if in the Pilates feature, you can head over to soulsingbody.com. You can even start your free trial for 7 days and see if you enjoy it. I don't know, I even had like my best friend texting this morning. It was like the cutest thing ever. She was like, oh my god, Sanne, I am obsessed with Soulsing Kitchen. I finally get to cook with my boyfriend. I don't know, it made me like so happy. I just like love seeing all you guys' photos. Anyway, I am gonna hop on this call and then get filming in a second. Okay, for anyone who is a content creator, or even not when you're content creator, working in a team, we love using Monday. So I always like organize everything in here. Here I am organizing all my workouts for the platform, and then here I am working on all my like recipes. I can track exactly if it's been edited, like what we're writing in it. This is an amazing managing tool. I really love it. Like, I literally do not know what I would do without Monday. It's like my go-to. It's amazing. We're in the vlog, all of us.
First day on looks good. The only thing I'll say.
All right, we just did our full setup. everyone. Meet Sophie. Sophie is part of the team and helping out with filming videos. This is our biggest support. You got Sophie? Sometimes he just like hangs out here, but he loves walking into the shots. This is where I'm filming all of my workouts. Today we're gonna do, I don't know, I woke up and I was feeling doing a booty workout. So I just need to grab a band and then we're going to film. I love to do a mix of strength training with Pilates. So I will do twice a week weights, one upper body, one lower body. And then I mix it with Pilates, and that honestly is the best combo for me. It makes me feel the best, and literally everything can do at home. I sometimes go to the gym just to get motivation. Hatsu, sit down. Sit down. Oh, hey, good. Hey. Everyone, welcome back to the video. Today we are going to put on a stretch into a squat and into a kick right here. Walking out and Max, what are you doing?
I'm making Nekohama's matcha nut butter.
Fresh for the meeting.
Fresh for me.
Yum. So your little dance.
My little dance.
I'm gonna make some quick lunch and then yeah, we're gonna go. I'm just gonna throw some leftovers together. This is lunch of today. I just literally put all my leftovers together. It is grilled chicken, arugula, quinoa salad with corn, and then I just added 2 eggs on it. A lot of protein because I'm really hungry, so it looks really delicious. Even when I have an insane busy day and I'm like running around like crazy, I always take time whenever I eat to actually sit down and to almost like practice mindfulness during eating. First of all, I notice a really big difference in my digestive. Like when I just rush through and just like kind of eat. Oh my god, so much construction going on. When I just like eat on the road and stuff, I immediately get like bloated and stuff. It's really weird. And I just really like to take a moment for my food, like appreciate it, be grateful for my body, just like really enjoy it. And I just noticed that that helps so much with my bloating, like so much. So I'm slowly finishing up and then we're leaving. Alright guys, look at us looking all
Yeah, we got dressed up.
Business casual.
We're here at the Air One corporate office and we're here for our second tasting.
Yeah.
This time we're bringing the Nekohama cups, which are absolutely delicious. So
it's one of our new products. So yeah, we're gonna do a tasting with the team there and then see you know, if we can launch in Air One, which will be really excited. Air One, for everyone who doesn't know, it's an amazing, like literally the best like organic market with the highest quality food products in LA, and it's just, I don't know, I just love going there all the time and eating there. Wish us luck. Let me exciting guys.
don't act excited. Don't act excited.
Don't act excited, but we do, because we are excited. We cannot give you all the in and outs of this meeting. Woo! This was really amazing, and I'm gonna confirm that Max was feeling a little low. You know, one of those days that you feel nothing is working, nothing is happening, like just out of it. We get into this meeting crushing it, and we were just kind of like, wait, what's happening right now? If this all goes through, this will be a really big step for Nekohama, our baby. Also, they have a little snack bar there, and this is literally one of my favorite snacks, Ava. This is from the French Squirrel, and these are almond butter stuffed dates, and they're literally insane. I'm going to eat them right now. But yeah, oh my god, this is so exciting. Okay, we need to rush to West Hollywood now. We're going to Levi's. We are going to pick out some looks, just some like cool items. I'm going to West Hollywood, and Max is also gonna shop, so that will be fun. Okay.
got in. Max is going to try some. Model that for me.
I realized I always like film at night and I literally have no light, so I got this one on Amazon. I tried to get the one, what is the one that went viral, that Alexis Arl had? It literally was sold out on Amazon, so I got this one, but it's super freaking bright. But I do feel, guys, it's amazing. I don't know if it's like the best lighting for like my skin and makeup, but at least you guys can see me. So I just grabbed some leftovers out of my fridge and I found, let me show you what I found. I found some cubed butternut squash. I found some sweet potato, onion, and some red bell pepper. So this was actually from a butternut squash hash I made a few days ago, and I'm actually going to, it's a really delicious like brunch recipe, but we often here in this household like to have brunch for dinner. So I'm going to make this into the pan. And I'm sorry, I'm so tired after today, we did a lot. And then I'm going to put it in wraps, and that's going to be dinner tonight. So I'm feeling good about it. I think it's gonna be delicious. Let's start cooking. I don't know if this looks very delicious, but sweet potato hash, some like fresh herb, eggs, and then I'm having here some tortillas ready. Yum. Here you go.
My chef.